Let's just say going into the SMX finals, Sexton had a really, really good chance of winning this thing. Only 1 point behind Hunter Lawrence, and he threw it away in the first corner. Whether you like Barsha, you don't like Barsha, this is definitely not on him. In the first rhythm section, what do you want to call it? First lap, there's no reason, there's no way that you can be Chase Sexton there and cut across the track, rolling the final jump into what 20, yeah, well, probably like 15 people behind you. And I mean, it's a pure racing incident. It's just Barsha went to double into the corner, going to go wide, probably, maybe trying to block some people coming around, and Sexton just turned right into it. One of those little mistakes, little things that you don't think about that completely threw away the championship for him. And I'm not saying it's his fault, it's not like anybody's major problem here, but this is this is the thing that he threw away the championship on the first lap for no reason. There's no reason to be doing that when you go wide, you take that berm, and then you race from there, knowing that you're behind points. As long as you're finishing well, all you have to really think about is where is Hunter and where is am I in front of Jet Lawrence, who was what 8 points back, and Tomac was 21 or something like that. And now it's, one round or one race, one half of a lap, barely, and championship gone. But so that's to see. As I'm recording this, Hunter or not Hunter, Jet Lawrence won and Tomac came second. And I'm just going to say, I hope Hunter Lawrence wins this. So comments down below. Tell me what you think of this. Obviously, if you say it's Barsha's fault, I'm just going to think you're being asinine, whatever. Comment down below. Tell me what you think, though. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helps me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.